Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I'll be showing you how to change icons on Samsung Galaxy S25. Let's begin. As you can see, currently we have pretty boring set of icons, so let's change that. All you can do is simply go to Settings, scroll down a little, and here we want to go into Themes. Here we want to go to Icons. And in order to only see the free options, we want to go to the top and here switch from all to free. And as you can see, now we have a nice list of all the free options. So for example, I will choose this pink and I will hit download. And then I hit apply. So we are applying our pink 3D rabbit. And as you can see now, every icon is now changed. And that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.